I know you're here after a lot of disappointments. Maybe searching for jobs, applying, and not hearing back can be frustrating, right? But don't worry, you're in the right place now. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 entry-level health informatics positions that you can apply for even if you have no prior experience. These roles are perfect for beginners looking to break into the exciting field of health informatics. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer direction for your career with a top secret. Let's get started. So, here are the top 5 entry-level careers in health informatics that you can apply for without experience. Here we go. Number 1 is EHR Support Specialist. This is a fantastic role if you're tech-savvy. You'll assist healthcare staff with navigating and troubleshooting electronic health record (EHR) systems. Think of yourself as the tech problem solver who keeps operations running smoothly. Number 2 is Medical Scribe. If you're detail-oriented and want hands-on experience in clinical settings, this is the job for you. You'll work closely with doctors, documenting patient interactions and updating records, a perfect stepping stone into the healthcare field. Number 3 is Health Data Entry Clerk. Accuracy is key here. This role focuses on inputting and organizing patient data while ensuring compliance. It's an excellent way to familiarize yourself with healthcare databases and build foundational skills. Number 4 is Health Data Coordinator. Love organization? This role involves managing data flow between departments and ensuring everything runs smoothly. You'll be the bridge that connects different teams with the information they need. Number 5 is Quality Improvement Assistant. If you enjoy problem solving, this one's for you. You'll analyze metrics, track workflows, and work on projects to enhance patient care. It's a meaningful role for anyone passionate about improving healthcare processes. Here's something crucial. Listen carefully. Don't limit yourself to health informatics roles. That's the number 1 mistake recent graduates make. Instead, look for any entry-level job, even in unrelated fields like construction or education, because informatics is needed everywhere. Your goal is to gain experience with data, systems, or workflows. It doesn't matter if you're analyzing data for a school or a company outside of healthcare. That experience will make you stand out when it's time to apply for health informatics roles. Take that first step. So tell me which career excites you the most, and did you like my tip? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.